Hello students, now we will see question number 9 of exercise 6.1, which is the last question of this exercise. Okay, so let us first see the question. The question is, how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? So if you square up these both numbers and after squaring up whatever answer you get, so they are asking between that both answers how many numbers lie. Okay, so according to the question, if you will first do 12 square, so 12 square, we know that 12 square is 144, means 12 into 12. So 12 into 12 is 144, and next number is 13 square. So 13 square means 13 into 13, 13 13s are, so that will be 169. So between these both number, ये दोनों नंबर के बीच में, between these both numbers, how many numbers are there? So that is the question that they are asking. Okay, so first of all, you can square up and you can write all the numbers 144 to 169 and then you will count. So that will be very long and it will be time consuming method. So there is another shortcut method for this. Again, we have seen the properties of square numbers. So whenever they ask such question that how many numbers lie between the squares of these two numbers or any two numbers. Now, first of all, the number should be in a sequence. For example, 12 and 13. So they are consecutive numbers. So if such numbers are given, then there is a easy shortcut for that. If the numbers are in the form of n and n plus 1, n and n plus 1, means this number should be n and this should be one more. So this is n plus 1. Okay, so here n means 12. Okay, here in place of n 12 is there, and in place of n plus 1 means 12 plus 1 13 is given. So 12 and 13 is given. So whenever the numbers are given in this form, n and n plus 1, then we can easily find out, because when the numbers are given like this way, n and n plus 1, then how many square numbers are there between them? Very easy. This is equal to 2n. This is equal to 2n. So you just have to multiply 2 into n. N means whatever is our n, that you have to multiply by 2, and without doing this square and without counting the numbers, easily you will get the answer. So this is again one property, that n square, okay, plus n plus 1 whole square is equal to 2n. This way, this is one property. Okay, it is given in textbook, so we will use that property over here. So in place of n, 12 is there, and in place of n plus 1, 13 is there. So how many square numbers lie between 12 and 13? How many numbers lie between the square of these both? So we just have to do 2n, means 2 multiplied by n. Now what is our n? N is 12. So we have to do 2 into 12. So 12 2s is 24. So 24 numbers lie between the square of, lie between 12 square and 13 square. This will be your answer. 24 numbers lie between 12 square and 13 square. 12 square और 13 square का जो भी आंसर होगा उसके बीच में टोटल 34 numbers होंगे. Okay, so this is the easiest way. Now second one also we will do the same way. This is n and this is n plus 1. This is one more, so n plus 1, and this is n. So again we will apply the rule, and the rule is 2n. So 2 into n we will do. So 2 into n. What is n? N is 25. So 2 into 25. So 25 2s is 50. So here 50 numbers lie between the square of 25 and 26. 25 का स्क्वायर करेंगे and 26 का स्क्वायर करेंगे. Whatever answer comes, between that both answers, total 50 numbers lie. Now third one is 99 and 100. So this 99 is n and this 100 is n plus 1. Again same formula, 2 into n. So 2 into n. N means 99. So 2 into 99. So 2 into 99 is how much? 2 9s are 18. Carry up 1. 2 9s are 18 and 1 19. So 198. So total 198 numbers lie between the square of 99 and 100. So this was the last question of first exercise 6.1, question number 9. Hope you understood this question.